All right, here's our problem child. The Trane police are here. These Trane TAM7 air handlers have a common communication error that gives you a code for a low superheat. So we need to figure out what's causing that problem. So a couple things involved with that system is we've got a temp sensor, we've got the stepper motor for the EEV, and then we've got the board itself that controls the communication between all of that. This is our stepper motor pin right here. So we can take this off and then ohm out resistance between everything on there. Brown is our common, so then we do brown blue, brown orange, brown yellow, brown white, and we should get 46 kilo ohms on all of those. But we can also test the motor, plug it back in. Circuit right here. We've got open, test, close. So test is the middle pin. We can hold between test and closed, and you can hear the motor run. So we can hear that stepper motor working, but I'm gonna pull that pigtail off and ohm everything out just in case. 7, good. So stepper motor works. We know that, we've tested it, we've ohmed it out. Perfect, that's what we want. So now we need to check the coil temp sensor. That pigtail comes right here. It's basically a 10K thermistor. Let's see. We're room temperature right now because the system's not on. 11.5. Oh, almost forgot to test the suction line temp sensor as well. Here. All right, yeah, 11.3. Looks like we're right on target. So next thing we want to make sure there's good communication going to our EEV control board. So we're gonna go to our J2 terminal here and we're gonna test DC volts between white and green, and we should get like about 3. All right, DC volts, yeah, 2.89, 2.9. I think it's that board. We know the board is bad because the temp sensors and the stepper motor are all working, but the board is not recognizing the signal that's feeding to it. We're gonna get it swapped out with a new one. All right, new board's back in. Let's restore power. Now it's in. It's gonna talk to itself for a little bit. All right, when I got here, the system wouldn't run because it was having a high superheat code on the board. We went through the troubleshooting method and I got rid of the Trane police. No Trane police in here, just party lights. So I'm gonna go out to the outdoor unit, hook up my gauges and make sure everything is running good. Good to go.